Alrighty. So, we're on the notes. This is still, oh, this is the wrong journal. Alright. This is still A.3c. Okay, I feel like we've been on A.3c for a long minute. But today we're going to be looking at graphing, horizontal, and vertical lines. So horizontal and vertical lines. Okay, in a little bit, I'm going to come around with tape. So this paper, if you put it in your journal like this, it may not fit. I know I don't like to have little tags out. So when you tape it in, it probably should be like landscape size. Okay. Alright, so we're going to be looking at horizontal and vertical lines. Let's do vertical lines first. A vertical line, it goes up and down. Okay, that's what a vertical line looks like. A vertical line is written in the form of x equals a. That is what the equation looks like, x equals a, where a represents the line's x-intercept. Okay, and if we look at the graph, it may be kind of hard to see. It's like right here. So the equation is going to be x equals a number. Okay? X equals, so the equation of this line right here, x equals the x-intercept that it goes through. So we're going to look at it. What is the x-intercept here? 3. So x equals 3. Ta-da! We're done. That is the equation to the vertical line. Any questions? Any questions? Alright. Horizontal lines. Horizontal lines go side to side. It's a little cricket, but you get it. Horizontal line goes side to side. A horizontal line is written in the form of y equals a, where a represents the line's y-intercept. So the graph down here is a little difficult to see. It's like right here. It kind of blends in with the graph, like with the grid. So it's right there. So for a horizontal line, it's y equals a number. That number is the y-intercept. So the equation to this line is y equals -1. -1. Any questions? Okay. So just a quick little reminder. Remember, if the line intersects the x-axis, it's x equals a being whatever x-intercept it is. If the line intersects the y-axis, if it intersects here, the y-axis, it's y equals a being whatever the intercept is. Okay, any questions? Oh, there are my graphs. Okay, so I'm going to give you some tape in a minute. Let's go to the little graphs that I gave you. Okay, and on the IXL and on the test, you're going to have to kind of go back and forth. So let's say this first one, graph y equal 3. Graph y equal 3. Y equals. Is that going to be a horizontal line or vertical? Horizontal. So it's going to be side to side. And going through what number? The 3. So right here. Ooh. With arrows on both sides, per favor. That's it. Any questions? Okay. I'm going to do one more with you. The other one is going to be a teacher check. So this time I'm going to have you go backwards. This time we're going to start off with the line, just like on the notes. Yes. Okay, what kind of line is this? Horizontal or vertical? Vertical. So if you forget, use the notes. Okay. We have a vertical line here. That means, what letter does the equation start with? X. So X equals what number? 6. Any questions? All right. Last one. This last one is a teacher check. So graph x equals -2. I'm going to come around with tape, and I'm going to be checking for graphing x equals -2.